Show you how to replace a power supply in a Samsung LN46C10. Okay. Start by pinching the connectors and removing them. Okay. Remove the 7 screws connecting them. Okay, pull out the board. And now we're going to put in the new power supply. Alright. Put the 7 screws back in. Reconnect the connectors. Okay. And that's it.